Your fall style will stay on trend when you wear these cute boots from CL by Laundry. They feature a synthetic upper with a wide opening and hidden stretch panels on the side for easy slip-on and a zipper closure on the opposite side for easy on and off. These have a classic and simple look that'll look really great with some skinny jeans and a nice sweater. Inside there is a textile and synthetic lining with a cushioned footbed to keep you comfortable all day. The midsole adds a little bit of contrast to the shoe, and you'll get about a 1-inch boost in height with the low block heel at the back. It's all on top of a durable synthetic outsole that has lugs for traction.